replicas. What's your favorite thing from here?
It's going to be the MP.
That and that.
Yeah. It's what the Americans made for $5. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. Wow.
These are all reproduction, you know,
Yeah.
gimmicks.
Yeah, replicas.
That's a German one, isn't it? M3 Mark 1. So this booklet is, you can see they're trying to get women involved in driving.
Right. For my next subject, I will work on that baby over there. It's an Austin 1939. He owns it. No, usually I paint from live because photos, you know, the colors and everything changes.
Give me a price. Cash.
So David has had the car for 40 years. He bought it when he was 21. We're celebrating Armed Forces Day here at Saffron Walden, and apparently there's a parade going on. Do you hear that? More insane videos on this channel, so remember to subscribe and hit that bell. Just to give you an idea, it's 30 degrees now and the humidity is climbing. It almost feels like Singapore. Once again, we are here at Saffron Walden and it's Armed Forces Day. Okay guys, time to cool off. Yeah.
I was born on this RAF camp, which is 4 miles from here, Debden. I was born on it in 51. My dad was in the RAF. And this is a picture from 47. He went in 1936 before the war and came out in 1958. Sorry. It's all original.
Yeah.
Fiberglass body, steel chassis, wooden floor. It's got a 3-cylinder Perkins diesel engine in it and a 4-speed David Brown gearbox. Got original wheels and all the running gear original. All the dials, it's got steering wheel and what have you. All original.
I love the door.
Yeah, the door's great, isn't it? Yeah. Sliding door and window.
Sliding door and window, yeah.
Vents.
Right.
As it stands, it weighs 2,500 weight, which is the old English weight. It's not metric, it's an imperial.
Imperial, yeah.
One ton and a quarter.
Right. Oh.
And that's Perkins. There's the 3 cylinders.
Something goes wrong, a part. Will you still be able to find someone that sells these parts?
Yeah,
individual parts.
I'm very lucky because Perkins are still in Peterborough, in Cambridgeshire. It's got an option of a starting handle. If you didn't have a battery,
Yeah, wow.
turn it over with a starting handle.
Wow.
It goes in here.
So this is Alvin Mark from Saffron Walden. It's a lovely town, especially when they had this open market, and plus today with the Armed Forces Day happening, no drone permitted. Today, because of that, we get to see an array of activities. Remember to tune in, subscribe, and set the notification buzzer because I'm still here in the UK. My time is really erratic, so there's no fixed time, unfortunately. So you need that to notify you of a new video post. Very little time to sketch today, but there was some done, so I hope you enjoyed that. Well guys, thanks for joining me this round. Ciao from Saffron Walden.